Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 30 of marching through my minis. I can't believe it. Today and tomorrow, that's it for March. Tomorrow we get to figure out how many I saved or how many I completed, how much money I saved. I am so excited. Okay, so today I have my $8. We got day 30 right there. Put it right there for a second. Just a couple more days of this super cute dashboard and prop coins from Brittany over at Budgeting with the Ginger. She has this on her Ko-fi. All right, so let's get our $8 in the bank. We've had some really successful days in the past couple days, past week. Let me fix my little envelope. So I'm kind of excited to see how we're gonna finish this month off. So I have $8 in prop coins to match the $8 of cash I brought in. And as I complete them, I will go to the bank and take out that money for that challenge. And each spot on my minis or tinies, I have both, are 25 cents. So let's get started. 2 for number 8. So how are you doing? How's it going? I'm excited to see how everybody's doing with this. Kimmy and Beth. Really excited to see how they do. Number 3 got one. Oh. Number 4 got one. Number 5 got one. Oh my goodness, with all the ones. 6 got 2. I have just finished cutting up all the things for April for the dashboard and all that. So I'm excited to bring in some new stuff and a new creator. So get to shout out somebody else new, which is always fun for me. You guys get to find somebody new to maybe follow and watch and support. Oh my goodness, with the ones. 2 for 4. We might go around a few times. Oh my gosh, 5. Well, I guess my green dice is like, no, I don't want it to be over. 2 for 7. We still have coins left. 3 for 8. 1, 2, and 3. We have 1 left, so we're going to put that on number 1. And then we will start on number 2 tomorrow for our last day. You know what? I don't know if I have. Oh, I do. I do have a paperclip. I was like, I don't know if I have a paperclip for April, but I do. Never fear. I'm on it. All right, let's give ourselves a little bit more room. So number 1. Ooh, number 1 got 50 cents. So number 1 has $1. And we needed $1.25 to finish, but that's all right. This is from Mint Dough, so this will be with us tomorrow. So we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. My poor little green markers had it. So we have 1 more spot for tomorrow. We should finish, so that's exciting. All right, number 2. Ooh, number 2 got $1.25. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I forgot I still have my ring light above. I think I can leave it on for a little bit longer. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25 cents. This one we probably won't finish tomorrow, but that's all right. It'll be with us in April. All right, number 3 got 50 cents. That's exciting. So 75 cents going into number 3. And this one is from the Millennial Saver. Kind of bougie, kind of broke. And I always like to add kind of true or kind of funny. All right, so we can do 75 cents. So 25, 50, and 75. This one will save us $4. All right, number 4 got 75 cents. In April, I'm only doing 6 envelopes and I'm bringing $10. I decided to take the $300 I would need for the full month out of my YouTube pay that I got this month. So thank you guys for helping contribute to being able to continue this on into April. I appreciate you guys very much. So we can do 3 more flowers. So 1, 2, and 3. And I believe this is from Bella at Saving Made Simple. Still haven't confirmed that, but if nothing else, I'm going to shout her out because she's fun. So we got 50 cents going into number 5. This one is from Hannah at Prop Budgets. Oop, glare. So this one we can do two more spots. So 1 and 2. And that one still needs $1.25 to finish. All right, number 6. Number 6 got $1. And this one is from Mary Bell at Mint Dough. And we're just doing a quarter each little cauldron. So we can do 4 more. So 25, 50, 75, and $1. Perfect. All right, number 7. Number 7 with 75 cents. And this one is from Steps on a Budget. So we can do 3 more boxes. And this one needs $1.25 to finish. And then last but not least, we have number 8. So we have $1 and then $2 going into number 8. Oh, we did finish one. So we needed 1, 2, 3, 4. We needed $1.50. So $1.50, and we have 50 cents for the next one. All right, so 25, 50, 75, $1.25, and 50. So this one from Evergreen Budget saved us $5, and we can put 50 cents into a new one. Let's go to our extras. Oop, I see a March one. We're going to do another one from Steps on a Budget since I didn't see this one earlier. So we're going to do 2 clovers, and I am going to color them in because why not? That was fun. So we have 50 cents starting us out here. So I'm excited to say that we did finish one today. That's awesome. So let's mix up our prop coins a little bit. We'll put that in here for tomorrow. And then we needed $5 from our bank. And then we'll flip back here to our completed. Shove that in there, and then we get to do one more here. Oh my gosh, guys. That is so cool. Ugh, squish. All right. I will see you tomorrow for the last day of marching through my minis, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day today. And until next time, take care. Bye.